Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a GE air conditioner flashing the error code E8 in 2025, you're in the right place. This code often signals a communication issue between the main unit and its sensors, like the evaporator temperature sensor, which can disrupt your cool summer vibes. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so you can get your AC running smoothly again. First off, what does E8 really mean? In GE models from 2025, this error typically points to a problem with the internal wiring, a faulty sensor, or even a software glitch. It's not uncommon after power surges or if the unit hasn't been maintained properly. The good news is that many cases can be resolved with some simple troubleshooting at home. Let's dive into the fixes. Start by unplugging your air conditioner from the power source for at least 5 minutes. This reset can clear temporary glitches and might solve the issue right away. Once it's back on, check if the error persists. If it does, inspect the unit's filters and coils for any blockages or dirt buildup, as this can trigger sensor errors. Clean them gently with a soft brush or vacuum if needed. Next, examine the wiring connections. Make sure all cables are securely plugged in and not damaged. If you're comfortable, you can use a multimeter to test for continuity in the sensor wires, but if electronics aren't your thing, skip this and move on. Another step is to run a diagnostic mode if your GE model supports it. Check your user manual for instructions, as this can provide more details on the error. If none of these work, it might be time to call in a professional technician, especially if your unit is under warranty. They can diagnose deeper issues like a defective board or refrigerant problems. Remember, attempting complex repairs yourself could void your warranty, so play it safe. In summary, error code E8 is usually fixable with a reset and basic checks. We've covered the essentials here, but if you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more handy home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.